How to do chemistry by Vito format. For each salt, state whether a solution will be acidic, basic, or neutral, NaHSO4. What you need to know first. How to write equations, break things into ions, recognizing a strong acid/base.
So the problem that I'm going to explain, one of the problems is from the second midterm, number 11, for each salt, state whether a solution would be acidic, basic, or neutral. And the problem reads NaHSO4. So the first step, what you do is you break it into its ions. So you get Na plus HSO4 minus. Then you take each of the ions and add them to water and see what they make. So Na plus H2O goes to NaOH and H plus. So since that this is a strong base, this is neutral. Then you do the same thing with the HSO4 minus. Add it to water. And you get SO4 2 minus plus H3O plus. So since this is not a strong base or acid, then you look at the ion or the product here, and since the product is H3O plus, this is acidic, making your whole solution acidic.
What we learned. How to determine if a salt is acidic, basic, or neutral when it's put into water. 3.645 grams of HCl is dissolved in 1 liter of H2O. What is the pH? Use 2 sig figs. What do you need to know to do this problem? Well, you need to know how to determine H plus concentration, how to convert grams to molarity, and how to determine pH from H plus concentration.
So the problem I'm going to do is from the first midterm, and it says that 3.645 grams of HCl is dissolved in 1 liter of water. What is the pH? And give your answer to 2 significant figures. So what you do first is you take the amount of HCl that you're given. Well, knowing that it is a strong acid, you know that you can figure out the pH from the amount of grams. Let's see what. So 3.645 grams of HCl. So what you're going to do is you're going to change that to moles using the molecular weight of HCl, which is 36.5 grams. So the answer you're going to get for the moles is going to be 0.09986 moles. Cancel. And then you're going to take that and divide it by the 1 liter that it is dissolved in, which ends up giving you a molarity of 0.9986 molarity. And so this is the concentration of your HCl, and since HCl, like I said before, it's a strong acid, you can use that to determine the H plus ions. So you put this into the pH equation, which is negative log of your H plus concentration. And you take that and you put it into here. So you get negative log of 0.09986 molarity. And you get your answer to be 1.0005. And round just 2 significant figures is 1.0. So your pH is equal to 1.0.
What we learned. How to determine pH given a mass. The concentration of a strong acid is the concentration of H+, and pH is negative log of H+ concentration.